In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Gmail password in Microsoft Edge. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Edge. Look for the Edge icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. It looks like a wave and is usually blue and green. If you can't find it there, you can also search for it in the Start menu. Once the browser is open, you will see the familiar interface with the address bar at the top and various tabs. This step is essential because you need to access the browser to manage your saved passwords, which includes your Gmail login. Next, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the browser window. This is known as the Settings and More menu. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Settings option. This action takes you to the Edge settings page where you can manage various features of the browser. It's important to navigate here because this is where you will find the password management section. Now that you are on the Settings page, look for the Profiles tab. Click on it to expand the options. Within this section, you will see a Passwords option. Click on that to proceed. Alternatively, you can enter a specific URL into the address bar. Type in edge/wallet passwords and press Enter. This will directly take you to the Password Management section. Accessing this area is crucial as it allows you to view all the passwords that you have saved in Edge, including your Gmail credentials. In the Saved Password section, take a moment to search for your Gmail account. You can type in either accounts.google.com or gmail.com in the search bar provided. This will filter the saved passwords to show only the relevant entries associated with your Google account. This step is particularly useful because it narrows down your search, making it easier to find the specific password you need, saving you time and effort. Once you locate your Gmail entry, look for the eye icon next to the saved password. Clicking this icon will allow you to view your password in plain text. This action is significant because it unlocks the hidden characters of your password, making it visible for you to copy or note down. However, before you can see your password, Microsoft Edge will prompt you to verify your identity. You might be asked to enter your Windows password, your PIN, or use Windows Hello if you have that set up. This verification step is important because it protects your sensitive information from unauthorized access, ensuring that only you can view your passwords. After successfully verifying your identity, the saved password will be displayed on the screen. Take a moment to ensure that you have copied it down correctly if you need to use it elsewhere. This final step confirms that you have successfully accessed your Gmail password, making it easy for you to log in wherever necessary. Remember, keeping your passwords safe and secure is essential. Always ensure that you do not share your passwords with anyone and consider using a password manager to help keep track of them. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this process helpful for managing your Gmail password in Microsoft Edge.